Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And like my videos too. Thanks. Today's DIY is pretty simple. What you're going to need is 3 cutting boards and 4 painter sticks. I chose to paint my painter sticks white, and I'll leave the exact name of this. I believe it's antique white, but I'll leave the exact name of the paint down below. So just go ahead and paint all your 4 painter sticks, both sides. Set them aside and let them dry for a few minutes because they dry pretty fast. I use this tray for little trinkets and little I call them knickknacks of things that I have in my kitchen, that I had them kind of all spread apart, and I wanted them to be in one area. So this is what I used it for. But also I know you can use it for like coffee cups or, in your coffee area, station area. Let me know in the comments down below.